Need more than just a moving truck in Wilmington, North Carolina? Here are 5 insider tips for hiring full-service movers the smart way, so you don't waste time or money. Not all full-service movers offer the same services. Confirm they handle packing, furniture disassembly, appliance disconnects, loading, transport, and unpacking. Are boxes, tape, and padding included or charged separately? 3 Movers includes high-grade packing materials, so you're not hit with extra costs later. Wilmington gets busy during beach season and sees sudden coastal storms. Schedule early morning moves and avoid weekends when traffic bottlenecks near US 17 and College Road. Need storage between moves? Don't assume it's included. Ask if your full-service mover offers short or long-term storage, and if it's climate-controlled. Always get a written quote that lists every service you're paying for. Verbal promises don't protect you from last-minute charges or incomplete services. At 3 Movers, we offer complete end-to-end moving services in Wilmington. Whether you're moving out of a Carolina Beach condo or a Wrightsville Beach home, we provide expert packing and unpacking furniture protection and assembly. Local long-distance and interstate moves, optional storage, flat rate, or hourly pricing. We moved from downtown Wilmington to Leland. 3 Movers packed everything, delivered it same day, and even set up our beds. Total professionals. Don't risk your move with part-time crews or vague quotes. Get your free full-service moving estimate from 3 Movers today.